Una welcome to Pidgin News Network, where news dey start from. Make una get the latest upon latest hot news for Naija and obodo oyibo. Yarns as e dey pound for we street, parable as dem we papa dem talk am, tori as e dey blow from pidgin world to meet people across the entire universe. My name na Ororo Pataya 20km. I welcome all of una to Pidgin News Network World News. Tree near tree, na im make monkey dey shine o. With this coronavirus, with this corona kpeshin wey dey shoot up and down the world, tree far from tree o. So make we join hand together so I go fit jump and pass like bird wey dey fly for sky. People wey get the coronavirus all over the world don pass 860,000 people. 860,000 tower people na im don get corona across the world o. And over 42,000 don kpeme, don kpai, don go. So make we take precaution, make we wash our hands, make we no stay where crowd dem dey, make we make sure say we use hand sanitizer, make we also make sure say we help the needy. Una welcome. Come and see America wonder, come and see America wonder. Na so we dey sing when we dey small. But with this coronavirus na America dey see wonder o. Because why? Water don pass garri. Over 185,000 cases don dey for America. Over 3,800 people don kpai for the matter. Coronavirus just dey blow like harmattan wey no dey look back. Hey! Oga Donald Trump talk say the death rate go even pass 100,000, enter over 200,000. Wey the thing go fit kill if we no do wetin government dey talk. And even sef hope dey o. He say the thing suppose reach 2 million pass o. But if people dey do as dem dey tell them, the health experts dey talk, the doctors, scientists, if we dey do as dem dey talk, the thing go dey fall more and more because small number na im go come dey catch am. He also talk say the next 2 weeks na nge for America because e go pain enter bone well as people go dey kpai for the matter. Medical sabinu, scientists and doctors dem don dey run kirakata for 40 million everywhere to make sure say end come to this matter. Oga Donald Trump don sign and na 2 trillion relief package for American people to survive during this wahala wey we dey inside with corona. Johnson & Johnson, medical company wey be say that they do ogbonge things across the world, don talk say they don get vaccine o. But now for September they go fit test am. Then talk say them put over $1 billion American dollars to take get this research make it pass so that they go get the answer. Ha! Waka dey o. What we go mean? Now plenty truck dey pass yo. No be say dem carry food. Na people wey corona don carry waka for Italy then they carry o. Over 10,000 people don carry waka comot for this world because of corona. Even for Spain, na so the number dey grow every day. Even sef the Pope dey cry as plenty people dey cry say this wahala too much. People don dey throw away money for the streets of Italy. They say say this corona, this death, e don make money be nothing. Money na vanity now, just as dem talk am inside Bible. So make we dey watch you, make we dey take care of our people so that this thing no go kaput us o. Make we go inside China to see how the corona matter dey happen, because na from China na im corona take in flight across the world. After the quarantine for inside China, dem talk say normal no be normal again o. Even as they don resume work, their factory don open, they don begin dey manufacture masks, ventilators and other things wey the whole world need dey send across. So make we sef know say if we lock down, I will fight well. Dem say China wey lock down Wuhan, e help them to fight the infections of meeting over 700,000 people. That is to say, they no shut down Wuhan for 2 months, they no close am down, carry padlock, lock and throw the key inside deep river. Now me say 700,000 extra people forget am. So this lockdown now for us to fight am so that we can come back and jolimento and live our life as we suppose live am. Oga Governor Sanwo-Olu for Lagos as he announce say 9 people wey get corona is don dey free, they don send them go their house. Naija sef come record 4 more cases, 3 for the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, and 1 inside Lagos. With this, the confirmatory cases for this country don rise go meet 139. Right? The Director General of National Center for Disease Control, Dr. Chikwe, say last week we get capacity to test 500 per day. This week e end, so we go get 1,000. Next week inko na so we go land for 1,005. So as we dey test, we go fit dey discover and we go fit dey manage the situation. Nigeria first get this coronavirus case on February 27 when one Italian businessman carry him leg waka kurutere come enter Nigeria, carry wahala land for we head. But that one no be him matter. The thing wey matter be say anybody fit carry am. So the wahala e dey for everywhere. So no be the man, na the koro wey dey colonize people, wey people no dey know sef. The man sef they don discharge am. That show say Naija we dey work well well. Oga governor for Lagos dey dance, say solution don dey come. Then they carry food, they carry go share. Then they prepare for the people wey no get. Now so Oga Buhari sef, our president, tell us say school food program go continue. They will continue to work hard to take care of the poor. They don't reduce the interest rate for central bank loan. They don't also pump money into economy. They don't import many things. They don't come lock down 3 states where they carry the highest number. People they run kirakita say na lie why they go feel locked down. But the president he lock them down, say nothing fit happen. People must stay, they must not spread and go everywhere. Make them stay house. So at this thing where they walk out for road, no go jam them for road. Now who go jam for road, he go catch you. Inside this corona, we must still laugh, bro, because it gets one new virus we don't knock put for outside now. Now here I hear am, no be say na me talk am. They say the name na HUVID20. They say pass corona, and that one equals to hunger virus. As we tell people the day house, hunger virus go set in, but Oga Buhari don't guarantee say they go spread food. Food program will continue for school children. Oga governor for Lagos don't talk. People don't they donate. We see people when they carry food, they go dash people. So if we continue like that, this HUVID20 it no go shele, because he must not shele can't join this koro. Koro they very deadly. Koro he like to dominate by himself. And when somebody like hunger can't go support him, let me say they go start to entertainment and sporting so-called. The whole world they stand still like Iroko tree, no movement. Musical, pakam, they don't lock am. Whether na football, bam, they don't pafuka. Bundesliga close down. Italian Serie A close down. Premiership they close down. League One close down. Every league across the world, plus including Nigerian league, everything closed down. Whether na basketball, whether na anything, everything don't close down. Music, entertainment, they do am from internet. DJs, they blast, musicians, they sing from their house. People they watch them. But say this corona still there. Now so we dey do am. Olympics will be the unity game where they bring everybody together. We supposed to celebrate for Tokyo. They don't move on to July 2021. My people, no be play matter. No be play matter at all. Make you help people where they around so that everybody go fit survive and smile after this colonization by Oga Koro. Abeg, donate and support government. Rice is join rice, na him make pot full. If rice no join rice, pot no go full, people no go see food. Abeg, make we behave like rice. Make we join together, make we full pot, make we help ourselves. As news dey waka across the world, na so we dey waka dey follow am, and we go dey bring the news as e dey happen, as e dey shele across the entire universe for you to know the latest and the best thing to do. This na Pidgin News Network, where news dey start from. My name na Ororo Pataya 20 km.